right. What is the largest island in the world? A, Madagascar. B, Great Britain. C, New Guinea. Or D, Greenland.
Australia's not. Yeah, that's what I thought. Not true. Oh, Greenland's pretty big. It's Greenland. It's Greenland.
Yeah, we're going to go with D, Greenland.
Yes.
Final answer. All right. What year did the Titanic sink? You're not going to give us multiple choice?
So it was the movie. So Paul, I think.
All right, Paul, you weren't there.
Speaking directly to Paul.
No.
Paul was there when it happened, so.
Remember, this was pre-World War One. I think it's 1913 because it was pre.
I think it was 19.
It was pre-World War One.
Yep, because they kind of were blaming it. They didn't know if it was like a German U-boat or not. I remember, I never watched it.
Yeah, 1911, 1912. Can I phone a friend?
Was it before or after the federal income tax was created?
You know what that is?
1912.
I think it's.
Yeah.
I think it's.
John feels passionate
I don't
about
know.
13.
John.
But we know when John's passionate, he's
It was in April. Gosh.
It was in April.
Was it made?
Let's peak iceberg season. My goodness. Or was it 11? Paul, actually, I'll let you.
1912.
All right, we're going to compromise with 1912. Let's see. Who invented the first practical telephone?
Keyword in here is practical, I think.
No,
Alexander Graham Bell.
Yeah, it would be.
So A, Thomas Edison. B, Nikola Tesla. C, Alexander Graham Bell. Or D, Frederick Jones.
Yeah, invented telephone. But who invented the
Remember
first practical
that
telephone?
scene from Sopranos when he got mad because. Never mind.
But Bell would be practical.
Well, I remember being in New York, and we had the first landline
That seems. I think it's gonna.
Let's go with C.
C, Bell. 4. What does NCAA stand for?
Yes.
What was the first? National Collegiate.
Association.
I think so. We're going with it. And then
Ohms.
the ohm symbol stands for what word as it relates to electricity? A, volts. B,
Oh, there's the multiple choice.
what is B?
Amperes.
Amperes. C, watts. Or D,
Ohms.
ohms. Ohms.
Go with D. Ohms.
D it is.
All right, first question. What is the largest island in the world?
Australia. Oh. It's not even a choice on there.
Madagascar, B, Great Britain, 3, New Guinea, and 2, Greenland. I'm gonna go with Greenland. 2, what year did the Titanic sink? Oof.
Seen the movie a million times.
1771 or something?
I have no
No.
idea.
No, it's like 1912.
Is it?
Something like that.
1912?
I don't know.
Nope.
Okay.
No idea.
I'll go with 1912 then. Andrew. We'll go. Who invented the first practical telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Graham Bell.
C. Alexander Graham Bell. 4. What does NCAA stand for?
National College Association or something.
National Collegiate
Collegiate.
Athletic Association.
There we go.
Number 5, the pi symbol. Not pi. What is that? That's the omega symbol. Stands for what word as it relates to electricity? Oh, ohm. Sorry, that's ohm symbol.
Yep.
Okay, question number 1. What is the world's longest river? A.
Amazon.
B. The Ganges. C. The Euphrates. Or D. The Danube.
The Nile.
Yep. I knew that as soon as they happened. I'm like, it wasn't even on there. Oh, I was wait. Sorry.
Okay. In which country did AC/DC originate? A. United States. B. Scotland. C. Australia. Or D. Germany.
B.
What was B?
B was Scotland.
United States.
50. I will go with C.
C is correct.
Ah, take that. I didn't know what it was.
Australia.
50-50.
Okay, number
I like
three.
this easy too.
In Greek mythology, which god is married to Persephone, the goddess of spring? A. Zeus. B. Hades. C. Poseidon. Or D. Ares.
Poseidon.
False. Joe, would you like to steal?
We'll go D.
Ares.
Dude, it'd be crazy.
The other two options were A. Zeus. Or B. Hades.
Go Hades.
That is correct. It's Hades.